Welcome, people. Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, champions. Wherever you are watching this channel from, you are highly welcome. It is another time, another segment, another session where we'll be jointly looking at what is happening at the world of Forex. I hope everyone is doing okay. You are welcome. Just as it is always my pleasure to serve and as well to bring valuable content to every one of us who are users of this YouTube channel. Now, this hour I'll be speaking on how to identify trend reversals. You know, in the world of Forex, at the Forex market, we have the uptrend, the downtrend, we have the ranging market, and we also have the choppy, that is non-directional. So, but how will you be able to know, how do you identify when any of these four type of market movements is taking place? Or that's how do you identify it before it happens so that you won't be a victim? That is putting the odds, the probabilities in your favor. So we're going to look into this very important part of your journey into profitable experience in the Forex industry. Without much ado, let me just take it this way by saying that in the world of Forex, or in the financial market, or in short, in trading, because we are looking at not only the Forex, but even the cryptocurrencies, because the tools we are using is the same. Even if you are trading the index, the volatility index, the boom and crash, which whatever, it's still the same tools. But how then do we identify when a reversal is about to occur? So that is what we'll be looking at within this very few minutes that we have together here, this moment. Now, basically or primarily, we know that one of the ways to identify reversal is by price action. Price action, just pay attention very carefully with me before we go into the chart to see it in a real life experience. Now, we know about the basis, which is price action, that the market is doing lower high, higher low. Then in such situation, you will, even a 5-year-old child will easily know that the market is either an uptrend or it's a downtrend. And when the higher, maybe it is on a higher low, then when there is no more subsequent higher low forming, maybe at the particular time or at a particular stage, you now see a high that is of the same level with the previous high, or even more higher than the previous high, then automatically you know that the trend is changing. But above that, which in both uptrend and downtrend, but in both sides, how then do we even know that there are other measures, that we can now use to even identify when trend is about to revise, so that you won't just remain in the market and become a victim of a reversal? Let me take us to the chart so that we can see the price action, and as well the more advanced part of it, the chart pattern, where we will talk of the double bottom, the head and shoulder, inverse head and shoulder, and the rest. Stay true. Give a like to the channel. Also, subscribe if it's your first time that you're coming across this channel, so that you'll be the first to know when I put another content. It's all about you and me. You help me by subscribing to the channel, so that you will be the first to know about it when I put more videos. And it will also help us, the algorithm of the channel, to let others know about it, so that people will not benefit from what we are trying to put here. So let me take us to my channel. Just a minute. Okay, awesome. Awesome. Very good. All right. Now let's take any of the, let me check what I have here. We can pick, let's go with okay, let's go with oil, crude oil. In looking at this trend, how to identify trend reversal. All right, let me take out every other thing that I have here. And awesome. Very good. So now you know how I like to analyze the market, that I start from the higher time frame and begin to go the low until I arrived at the lowest possible time frame where I will do my trade execution. So let's go to monthly. Now, in monthly as it stand now, we can see from this, chart pattern, that the highest that oil have reached was on 1st of July 2008. 1st of July 2008. Now, and the most recent low that we have just had is 1st of April 2000, when the price went as low as 0.3. My gracious God. Now, when we look at this market as it stands currently, we don't need any, there's nothing that I need to know that this is a downtrend. It is a downtrend which may be temporarily or an overall, because what you must know is that there is no how that oil has been in a bullish movement since May of year 2020 up to 2nd of May 2022. That is a very long time. So now what happened is that oil is doing a kind of a retracement, and by looking at it, I can easily say that if oil breaks from this level now, this level of $76, then automatically the price will continue to fall up to 64. But that's not why we are here today. Why we are here now is, how do we know when this was about to happen? Now, when you look at this place, if you are a smart money trader, you would have known that that this market was so bearish since the August of 2008, and it fell down up to this particular place. Now, and as it got here, it went up, do a lot of retracement, and begin to fall again. As it fall up to this side, then it now hit the same level here, This may pass the test of a breakout. Now, immediately this happened, then double bottom has been formed. Remember that it's in a very high time frame. So and it can also apply in, this is monthly, it can also apply it in weekly, even in daily, even in 4 hours. Then other lower time frame, I don't normally consider it, because in most cases there will be a lot of fake out, or there are a lot of news, and most of the key zones like the support and resistance are not that strong when it comes to 30 minutes, 5 minutes, 1 hour, or the rest. But if I see something of this nature in a very high time frame, I pay a very good attention to it. So look at what happened here. So as immediately this double bottom formed, then the market revised. So maybe you've been selling from here, cutting, selling. So, but as soon as it got here, so you now discover that instead of more higher high, a higher low, then there was a kind of pullback that bring about this reversal, and the price start going up. And as you see, as the price start going up, it get to this level, it came down, and also as it meet this level here, this is another double bottom, so it also take the price up again. Now take it back to at least weekly, where we will have more clearer insight of what the market is doing currently. All right. Now, if you look here, you can see that this market was going and is just up in a very, very clear bullish momentum. Got here, retraced, got here, then and continue going up again, then come down again. Then if not because of this double bottom here is what take this market up again. As this double bottom take the market up again, it went and stopped here, come back and went again. As soon as it got here, as soon as my mouse is okay. As soon as it get here, this is a double bottom, a double top. This is a double top. Now this double top is what bring about This is the double top here. Now this double top here, where is wrong with my mouse? Okay, sorry. Okay, sorry guys. Now this double top here is what brought the price back into this bearish momentum. Then as a smart money trader, immediately we got here, we discovered that the neckline has been broken, which is another confirmation as to the length that, another confirmation as to the fact that this is going to be a massive bearish. Now, when it got here now it retraces now and went, have a small pullback. Now look at, don't you think that this is what as the market was about going up, it now have another double top. This is the double top that also brought it back. So this is, it is the double top and the double bottom, the inverse head and shoulder. The market will continue to form those kind of chart pattern that will give rise to one form of cut in movement or the other. Now let me take this into, let me bring this again, at least to our daily time frame, where we have a more clearer picture of the incidence, so we can see in a more clearer picture the formation that we are talking of. Now you remember where we talked about the double top. So it was this double top that bring this price down here. Now as the price was falling down, now when it got here, the neckline was broken. This was a neckline. So as it was broken, it was a confirmation that actually the market was actually set for a very massive bearish momentum, which we see here. Then if you are on sale, you now narrow to the more lower time frame, where you now use your entry and exit strategies to take advantage of this fall. Just as the impulse wave happens, you go in, then as it retraces, you exit. The same continues up to here. As it is currently, I think OPEC member states should be praying that that this price, this particular this retracement should be short-lived. And if it's short-lived, that it break this region now, just have it in mind that the price of crude is coming to this region. It's coming to $64 and below. But if it is unable to break this, that means we're going to see information that the price movement will be displaying to us. By then, it might have been more clear for us to check whether, like currently now, we can say that this is a retracement, but it is whatever that happens within this place now, that if this market goes up and come down, I can tell you that it will be coming here if we're able to break this. But if it remains on this top of this trend line, then automatically the price will be coming here, which may definitely give rise to something of this nature. Then let me also look for where that is inverse head and shoulder and the head and shoulder, so we can also see where it played out. Where it played out. All right, awesome, awesome. Okay, now you can see from here, remember that this is daily. This is daily. You can see that this market was going here, retrace, come here. You see, it is this double top here. See the double top. It is this double top formation here that bring about this change. Now, if you go, you scroll more further, you can see that the market came here, touched this level, went up, then see, this is head and shoulder formation. I can tell you that this is the shoulder, the head, and the shoulder. It is what brings the price down again. Now, as a trader or as a technical trader, you are bound to be seeing all these series of chart patterns every now and then, but your ability to dictate or your ability to see them as they are formed is what gives you money in the market, because this market pays you as much as your ability to it's your knowledge, the level of your knowledge that determines what the market gives you. So, as I said earlier, that if you have not subscribed to the channel, just give it a thumb, then click on the bell button so that you will be the first to be aware that a video has been, sorry guys. So click on the notification button so that you will be the first to know when another valuable content is uploaded. I hope this have opened your eyes or have give you an insight to what bring about trend reversals, how double top, double bottom, the head and shoulder, the inverse head and shoulders helps to know that reversal is around the corner or is about to happen before it took you unaware as a trend trader. Then till we meet again, enjoy, and I will continue to do all I can to bring some content, more content that will be valuable to you. Bye. Okay, you can drop your comment. Drop a comment. Tell me where you want me to talk more. If there is any area in your trading journey where you are having an issue, drop a comment at the comment section of whichever topic you want me to treat. Then, and I will do all I can to do justice to that. You're a champion. Sharp. Bye. Yes.